CUK Stratos Micro Gaming Desktop AMD Ryzen 7 3700X, 16GB DDR4 RAM, 1TB. Review deal discount unboxing setup. All I can say is wow. What a deal. The quality and the build, the RGB keyboard and mouse is off the hook. It's nice and tidy too. No loose wires in the case. It looks awesome with all the RGB modes going. Overall a great product, highly recommend. Step up your games with the ultimate gaming PC, the CUK Stratos Micro. Experience the most demanding games like Fortnite, Apex Legends, Division 2 or CSGO with the latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics. The Stratos Micro packs all the features of a ATX system in a max size. With a smaller footprint, the CUK Stratos Micro will give you back more desk space without sacrificing style and maximum PC performance. Optimized for the best gaming experience. VR ready with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 graphics card. AMD Ryzen 7 3700X 8-core processor. 6x high airflow and pressure PWM addressable through controller RGB fans. Rainbow keyboard and LED mouse bundle. Processor 3.6 GHz AMD R series. RAM 16 GB DDR4 3000. Memory speed 3000 MHz. Hard drive 1000 GB flash _memory solid state. Graphics processor NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070. Chipset brand NVIDIA. Card description dedicated. Graphics card RAM size 8.00. I needed a new computer because my old point was slowly dying. I chose this one in hopes that it would be faster for 3 high graphic games I enjoy. It has much more than fulfilled my hopes. Microsoft Office loaded in less than a minute and my were loaded almost instantaneously. Game performance is great. I'm a very happy camper. Overall great product, highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box.